Well, here we are in Valencia, just arrived, an hour and a half drive up from Denia, and we are now at Jose's place, New Fix. This is New Fix up here. Where does it say New Fix? There we go. He's got a great facility here. He's got a climate controlled workshop for doing all the special gluey work that he does with Hyperlon. There's the dolphin, tubeless. Here's Jose, ready to do his Dr. Magic bit. Can you do it, Jose?
I think so. I don't promise
anything. What do you mean, think so? Okay, let's go and have a look. So let's go see where he's going to put it. So we've got a reverse in here.
Right there. Yep, that's right.
And we're going to put it in that
and
spot.
place
there.
it right there.
No problem.
Excellent. Javi, más quiere que pongamos un momento el flotador en el barco. ¿Quiere verlo?
Looking good, dolphin. Brand new shiny tube. Oh, she's going to be like a new boat. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Look at that. Getting there. So what's next, Abby? We've got to stick it on. We've got any super glue?
Sorry?
Got some super glue?
Yeah.
Loctite? Perfect.
Yeah, Loctite.
Great.
Yes.
That'll do.
Yes. Or Sikaflex, whatever.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
Slap it on.
Like this, it's gotta be right in the middle. And another handle.
Yeah, somewhere there. Let's have a look. The aft seat sits here, so you can see on the floor where the marker is, so you're sitting here. So therefore a handle back there, angle like that.
Like here?
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Starting to look like a rib once more.
Something like this. Blue. That's it?
Well, that's it. It's done. Yeah, I mean, you know, just a bit of chalk. That's fine. No, that's fine. Next.
Cheaper? Impossible.
Oh, much cheaper than having laser cut Hyperlon name. Yeah, we wouldn't want any of that, would we? Jose?
Yeah.
I've got an idea.
What?
Let's do the laser cut Hyperlon name.
The laser cut?
Yeah.
Why?
It's
It's better like that.
Well, that's a very exciting development. The tube is on, not stuck. It looks like it's going to fit. It's quite an expensive day as well. But hey, who cares? Let's see how we get on with the rest of it. Well, today's the day. The sun is shining on the Costa Blanca once more, and we've got the Blue Dolphin back from Jose at New Fix with her new tubes. Here she is. Let's go and have a look. We've got the laser cut name badge down the side here. That's all been cut in Hyperlon and layered. Quite pleased with that. Quite pleased with that. That looks very good. I've put extra patches because, being a working charter boat, everybody walks up and down the side and they use the bow for climbing on and off, or for stepping on and off, should I say, and also the well, both the bows. They are basically trampolines for children to bounce on and backflip into the water. So I thought we'd better have a bit more anti-slip protection than she had before. It was quite sufficient for original use, but these days she does a bit more. So as you can see, we've still got a lot to do, but we're getting there. We've got all the upholstery to do, still got some wiring up of the switch panel to do, got to fit the new transponder. Oh, loads of things to do, but hopefully if we get stuck into all of that today, she might be in the water for you tomorrow. So stay tuned.